When I was 16, I had a motorbike, and I used to love tinkering about with that. My dad was a mechanic. I really loved taking my motorbike apart, putting it back together again, and more or less fell into the industry, and been in it ever since I left school. Haven't done anything else.
I was going to say, I've always liked my cars, so it's quite, and I would say, when I left school, I always wanted to do something hands-on.
At Thurlow here, it's a good working atmosphere. The team we've got in the workshop here at Thurlow, they're most of them have been here quite a few years. You've always got targets and everything to meet, but because we've been here so long, we know the job fairly well, so
very relaxed.
It's quite a sort of relaxed atmosphere. There's no jobs for life anymore, but I think it's a bit of an accomplishment being at a company like Thurlow for so many years that they must obviously be doing something right. For younger people thinking about coming into the industry, it's quite a rewarding thing. Every day you're learning something new. And not everybody's sort of wanting to go into office-based work environments or service industries. It's a career. If there's something you want to do at university level, do it. But if you think, don't really know what I want to do, have a look around, get an apprenticeship doing things.
So you're always going to have a job for life?